Hey there. Welcome back again. Becoming an active listener may take time, but learning it is always at your disposal. If you have missed any lectures, take a break and thoroughly watch the fundamentals of active listening. To cut it short, today we are going to learn another listening skill, paraphrasing. Seems new? Not at all. Paraphrasing is quite normal for people skilled in active listening. They know how to use it and be present in the moment. However, you can also learn this skill, provided you follow all the discussed active learning skills. Be there because we are going to discuss this thing in detail. What is paraphrasing? As for its definition, paraphrasing is a practice of restating what the speaker has said in your own words. It is not here to say that you must repeat everything after the speaker. However, the objective is to extract the main point of the conversation and keep going with the conversation. For instance, if the speaker says, "People across the world are dying from hunger and poverty," you have to change the wording by saying, "So, what you are proposing is that poverty and hunger are ruling the world." Have you noticed the difference? This is exactly how paraphrasing works, letting the speaker know you are fully aware of what is being discussed. What's the use of paraphrasing? Well, paraphrasing is one of the most important tools in active listening. Whether in a personal or professional context, paraphrasing assures the speaker that the listener is all ears to his conversation. Let's examine the benefits of paraphrasing. Ensuring trust. Of all the benefits of paraphrasing in active listening, ensuring trust is the most beneficial one. Doesn't it carve a soft corner in your heart when someone is listening to every word you speak and paying attention to the feelings you deserve? Yes, it is really a good experience. Imagine you are speaking your heart out about your first breakup. The listener is actively participating by pulling up the details. For example, you say, "How dumb I was to think that life would end after that breakup." Instead of wandering here and there, the listener responds, "Well, do you still think that way?" Doing this will ensure your trust in the listener that he is in the conversation. Active listening. When you paraphrase someone's point, it is enough proof that you are listening actively. It assures the speaker that you are not hearing passively, but fully present in the moment and listening attentively to what is being told. Encourages the speaker. Moreover, paraphrasing encourages the speaker to go beyond just telling the information. Why is this so? When you repeat what the speaker is saying, it hits the speaker with the fact that you are listening to them. This not only allows them to organize their thoughts, but will also provide you with a chance to get accurate information. Ensuring understanding through paraphrasing. You can't understand anybody just by listening to them. Chances are you may get inaccurate information if you do not try to paraphrase what they have just said. That is why paraphrasing ensures understanding between the speaker and the listener. For example, paraphrasing the speaker's point will allow you not only to correct your information, but also provide thought space for the speaker to confirm your interpretation. You might use phrases like, "Have I heard it right?" Or, "So what you are trying to say is." These phrases ensure the speaker you understood what the former is trying to imply. How to paraphrase? Well, paraphrasing doesn't involve any rocket science. All you need to do is to listen actively. After that, try to understand the point of the speaker. You can also use phrases like, "Are you telling me that? Doesn't that sound weird?" Or, "Is it right what I am hearing?" Introducing these phrases will keep both participants intact in the conversation. No doubt, paraphrasing is a powerful skill in active listening. By restating the speaker's message in your own words, you try to imply that you are fully engaged and aware of the conversation. Paraphrasing always works in professional as well as personal spheres of life. As you have learned about this skill, try practicing it in your daily conversation, and you'll see the magic happening. Till we see you in our next video, keep practicing active listening.